As you probably know, you have more than one Google Drive account with Niskuna Schools. Your old account is going to be deleted in December. So what we need to do today is we need to migrate all of your information from your old account to your new account. In order to move those files from your @student.niskischools.org account to your @stu.niskischools account, what you need to do is you're going to need to log in. You can do that at student.niskischools.org. You can click here. This process is going to take you about 20 minutes. Once you're at the student.niskischools.org page, you'll need to start by logging into your old Google Drive account. The username and password for both of these accounts are the same. So click on the old Google Drive account and log in using your username and password. Once you've logged in, confirm that you're in your old Google Drive account, which should end in @student.niskischools.org. And once you've done that, you'll need to create a single folder if you don't already have one and put all of those files in that folder. At this point, you should have one folder with all of your old files in them. If you check that folder and then you click the More button, you can then share that folder to your new Niski Schools Drive account. So you'll share it to your new account at stu.niskischools.org. You don't need to notify yourself. And it's going to warn you that you're sharing outside of your domain, and you should click yes. Once you've done that, you can log out of your old account, and you'll probably need to quit your browser. At this point, you can relaunch your browser, go back to the student.niskischools.org page, and log into your new account on top there. Once you're logged in, you can go to your shared folder, and you'll see that the folder that you shared from your old Niski Schools account is now available to you in your shared folder of the new account. The last step in this process is making copies of all the files that you just shared over. You do that by opening up the folder, and then you can check the box on top which will select all of those files. You click More and make a copy. Drive will make a copy of each of those files for you. Once you've made those copies, check the box for all of those copies and drag the copies into your Drive file. Once those copies are moved to your Drive file, it's safe to delete the original files off of your shared account. At which point you can go back to My Drive and you'll see that the copy of each of those documents is there. The first thing you should do is create a folder for this year and drag all of those files into that folder. The second thing you should do is go into each of those files and change the name so that they no longer say copy of document 1, copy of form 1, copy of presentation. At this point, you've moved all the files from your @student.niskischools.org account to your new @stu.niskischools.org account. When the student.niskischools.org accounts are deleted, you will have copies of all of the files that you had on that account. If you have questions, please let your teacher know or contact somebody in the computer lab at your school.